Backpacking might seem like an expensive activity for many beginners, but it doesn't always have to be. There is a great deal of gear available that do fit in the term ultralight without breaking the bank. And we're going to show you exactly those in today's video of 25 budget backpacking gear for beginners. The purchase links and updated prices are provided in the video description for your convenience. Let's jump right into it. Snapfold Bowls offers an eco-friendly, practical solution to enjoying meals on the trail without the hassle of disposable waste. Weighing in at just 1.4 ounces each, these lightweight bowls are incredibly easy to carry, making them perfect for anyone trying to keep their backpack weight down. Their durability ensures they'll withstand the rigors of outdoor use, while their simple, foldable design makes them effortless to clean and pack away when not in use. By opting for these reusable bowls, outdoor enthusiasts not only reduce their environmental footprint, but also save money by eliminating the need for single-use alternatives. Whether it's for snacks or full meals, Snapfold Bowls provides a reliable, sustainable option for any backpacking trip, aligning with the growing push towards more responsible and environmentally conscious outdoor living. The GigaPower stove ticks all the right boxes. Its lightweight and compact design makes it easy to carry, perfect for those who need to minimize weight in their pack. Despite its small size, this stove packs a punch with a powerful 10,000 BTU output, ensuring rapid boiling times for quick meals on the go. The 4 foldable arms provide excellent stability, even on uneven ground, making it ideal for varied terrains you might encounter while camping or hiking. Not only is it durable and functional, but its elegant design also adds a touch of style to your outdoor cooking setup. Whether you're preparing a hot meal after a long day on the trail or simply boiling water for coffee, the GigaPower stove delivers both efficiency and convenience, making it an excellent choice for budget-conscious backpackers who don't want to compromise on performance. The TrueArc 5 compass is an outstanding tool for intensive map work and just the right size for backpacking. It's built with a large base plate, ensuring accurate triangulation for anyone needing to navigate challenging terrain. Moreover, the global needle is capable of tilting up to 20 degrees, making it ideal for use worldwide. With tool-free declination adjustment, users can easily orient magnetic north to true north, streamlining navigation in diverse environments. For those working with fine map details, the map magnifier is a bonus, enhancing visibility. Coupled with a 2-degree resolution azimuth ring for precision, the TrueArc 5 offers everything a budget-conscious backpacker needs for reliable, detailed navigation. Finding an ultralight tent on a budget is a bit hard, but the NatureHike Vic 2 makes the cut. Weighing in at just 3.6 pounds, a bit on the heavier side, but this tent is perfect for those looking to keep their load light while hiking, cycling, or exploring the outdoors. Its innovative double Y freestanding structure makes setup quick and easy, even in rainy conditions, keeping the inner tent dry and comfortable. Built with durable 15D nylon lattice fabric and a silicone-coated waterproof layer, it's designed to stand up against wind and rain while ensuring you stay protected. The tent's design also prioritizes ventilation, featuring 2 ceiling vents and skylights that work together to minimize condensation. With a roomy interior measuring 83 by 45 by 35 inches, it comfortably accommodates 1 to 2 people, and the vestibule provides extra storage space for gear. The Hydropack Contour Reservoir, with its slim profile, combined with shape-lock baffles, ensures water stays stable, preventing annoying sloshing while on the move. With the soft, flexible handle, it's easy to fill and carry. And the wide-opening slide seal top guarantees a leak-proof closure. The thoughtful design includes a 3D bottom for a streamlined fit in your pack, while the side-mounted tube connection offers convenient access when you need a quick sip. Additionally, the Contour's universal hanger allows it to attach seamlessly to various backpacks, adding flexibility to your setup. The self-sealing Comet Bite valve, equipped with a magnet, ensures secure attachment to pack straps and leak-proof operation with simple thumb activation. Available in sizes from 1.5 to 3 liters, the Contour is made from BPA and PVC-free materials and backed by Hydropack's Beyond Lifetime Guarantee, providing confidence in quality and durability. The 1.5-liter version is perfectly budget-friendly for any backpacker.